How to see send follow request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see send follow request on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down. Under Account Settings, select Your Information and Permission option. Tap Download Your Information. Choose Download or Transfer Information button. Now tap Some of your information. Once you land on this section, scroll down. Now choose the Connection option and tap Select All. Tap the Next button. And then here you have to type in your HTML. You have to select the email address where you can get notified about the downloaded file. And once you do that, you need to select the time range. Then tap Create File. So our information has been prepared for downloading. Once the file gets downloaded, you need to locate the file and then choose the downloaded file. There you can easily see and unzip the send follow request on Instagram and find all the pending requests. So that is how we see send follow request on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.